Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cora. Thanks for dropping in. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, especially one on Louis Vuitton. And this video is going to be an unboxing for something I got from the new summer 2021 By the Pool collection. So let's go ahead and get started. So this got delivered to me yesterday morning, right before I was about to head out to work. And as soon as I heard the doorbell, I knew it was coming in. And while I was at work, I was basically thinking about it since I work 12-hour shifts. And as soon as I got home, I don't get home till like late at night. So I wasn't able to try to open it then. So now I finally have the time to dive right into this. Alrighty. So again, here is the envelope. And this one, the box is pretty big on it. I'll go ahead and just unbox this for you guys, and then I will, of course, go over more of a close-up on it. And I was actually, for this purse, I was actually able to email one of the SAs that I've been talking to before that was able to get me a few of the items that in the past. And I was actually able to order it from her. Alrighty, so here it is. And I haven't seen this purse in person. I haven't seen the colors in person, but on the pictures that I've seen, it's just absolutely beautiful. And let's go ahead and just show you up in the camera. Oh, wow. Here you guys go. It is the Speedy Bandouliere 25 in the new summer 2021 By the Pool collection. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And this is actually my second Speedy B25. I actually just recently purchased the Damier Ben back in January. Had a few issues with it, but I was able to exchange it, and I didn't do an unboxing video for it just because I had to exchange it so many times because there was a lot of issues that I had with it. But oh my goodness, look at that. The colors is just so light and bright. I love how there is the large monogram there. On the side is the regular size monogram. Just similar to the Speedy B30 from last year's collection, the Escale collection, where the regular size monogram was on the side panels and the large monogram was on the front and back. And this one here is made in France. Let's see if I can get a beautiful close-up of that. The corners. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. The vachetta on this. I'm not much of a fan of vachetta, but I thought I would rather have gotten this style in, but I decided to do this bag instead of getting a Neverfull, just because I found myself really liking the Speedy Bandouliere 25, of course, because the Speedy Bandouliere 30 that I tried last year, it was just way too big for me, you know, being only 4'9" and 3/4. This suits me so much better. Oh my goodness. And there is the charm right here. Feels kind of it's a bendable material. That's cute. Gives it kind of a island feel to it. So this one has the double handle. In case you aren't familiar with the Speedy Bandouliere 25, this one has a double handle. It's in gold colored hardware, which I think is actually really beautiful with this color palette. And the design's kind of is a pastel pink, kind of a gradient into the yellow here with the white LV, where it makes it just pop out on the purse. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh. So just going over the quick measurements on this. This one here is 9.8 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, and the width is 5.9 because it goes inward a little bit here. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and go look what is inside. Comes with just some stuffing here. I'm actually really happy that this came with stuffing and in a larger box. My Speedy Bandouliere band that I got back in January came folded, and that was, since that's my first one, I guess that's, and from other videos I've seen or heard, they said that the Speedies usually come folded, which I don't really care for, usually because of the wrinkle, not really much of a wrinkle, but of the folds here. It kind of lasted for a while. But this came with stuffing, and here is the strap to this. Oh, so it looks like the strap here comes with just two. So let me just go ahead and remove that. So here's one strap. And the gold colored hardware. And then the second strap, which is a bummer because I actually like the 3 straps that my other Speedy B came with, just because you can actually shorten it even more and make it into like a shorter bag. So first time really dealing with a vachetta strap here. And then inside, I'm gonna bring this up close, is the light pink textile lining. Oh, that is just so pretty. I hope you can see that as well as I can in my camera. The back here says Louis Vuitton. And then here is the tag. And there is a zippered pocket. Oh, there's my tags. So there is, oh, there's the tag. And then this little card that usually comes with the LV items. And then I have here the little lock and key. Oh wow, this one is actually, the locks are pretty shiny. Really shiny. And the keys, which I don't put on, I wouldn't want to leave it on the bag. Maybe I will this for this one, maybe not, I don't know. But that is so pretty. Just put that back in there. Oh my goodness. It is just so pretty. I really actually do like that that bag charm that's on there. Then I don't really care again for like vachetta, but I will definitely have to spray some protectant on this because I will be afraid of getting any kind of water stains or any kind of liquid stains on these handles. They don't look very good on these handles. And then it looks like the glazing here is pretty shiny. Looks pretty nice, pretty sturdy there. And here, these pads here are a little bit puffy. Oh my goodness. And the zipper. So I'll just do a quick comparison because I do have my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe in the Escale collection from last year and kind of show you a comparison of the coloring of it. Hopefully the lighting is kind of doing it some justice, but you can actually, looking at it, there's definitely a similarity to the pinks on both purses. This one from the Escale collection does look more of a light pink, and this one kind of reminds me not too much of a bubblegum pink, but more of a, this one seems more pastel pink to me. The yellow on it is different also on it. Doesn't help that this bag is stuffed with my stuff. This is the bag I'm currently using because, you know, it's springtime now. And this one I'm actually using the strap from my multi-pochette. And I bet that this strap from the multi-pochette, since I have the pink one, will go great with this. Just kind of show you a close-up of the pinks there and the gold colored hardware. Looks great. So I noticed also in the difference of inside the Speedy B is that this one doesn't have a flap to it. Does not have I mean, there's a pocket, a zipper pocket, but it's not a flap like my other Speedy B that I have. I'm not sure where the date code is on this one. Oh, actually the date code again is still it's inside the zippered pocket. I should definitely do a comparison of my Damier Ebene Speedy B25 with this one because I've noticed some of the features are a bit different than this one here. But let's try it on with the strap from my multi-pochette accessoire. Oh, that's awesome. I think it looks better together, obviously, because they're both the gold tone colored hardware as opposed to me using this with the Escale collection, which is in silver colored. But here it is, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some on the body shots with this with the regular strap, and then probably try it out with the multi-pochette strap. video on the Louis Vuitton Summer Collection 2021 by the pool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Such a pretty bag. This bag is in the color light pink, and there is another one. There's also another colorway for the Speedy Bandouliere 25 for this collection, and it is called Miss, and I believe that's more of a peach grayish color on top with some white. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about the new summer 2021 collection, or what you're planning on getting, or what do you have. Otherwise, I hope you guys all have a great day and you take care. Bye.